Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the pen has power and your Surface has Bluetooth on. First, remove the cap or check the battery compartment. Replace the IASL if needed. Next, open Settings, go to Devices and enable Bluetooth so the tablet can detect peripherals. Once done, press and hold the top button on the pen for about 7 seconds until the LED blinks. This puts the pen into pairing mode. Make sure the Surface shows the pen in available devices, then tap to pair and wait for confirmation. Once paired, you should configure how the pen behaves so it matches your workflow. Open Pen and Windows Ink in Settings and assign functions to the top and side buttons. For example, single-click for screen snip and press and hold for eraser. Then adjust pressure sensitivity in your Drawing app or Windows Ink settings to get the desired line thickness. Also enable palm rejection and set handwriting recognition preferences so your hand resting on the screen won't interfere. Make changes, test strokes in OneNote or your app, and iterate until it feels natural. To finish, calibrate the pen if you notice offset. Use your Drawing app's calibration tool or Windows calibration for pen input so it aligns precisely. If the pen disconnects or stops responding, remove it from Bluetooth devices, restart your Surface, then repair. This often resolves firmware handshake issues. Replace worn nibs using the included nib removal tool or spare nibs to restore smooth tracking. If problems persist, check battery contacts and update Surface drivers. One key troubleshooting tip: always test with another user account to rule out profile settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.